Welcome to Peru, a land where history isn't just in books, it's carved into the very stone beneath your feet. Today we begin our three-part journey in the heart of the empire.
We start in Lima, the City of Kings. This plaza has been the heartbeat of the city since 1535, a masterpiece of colonial planning. Surrounding us are the centers of power, from the Archbishop's palace to the government house, adorned with Lima's famous carved wooden balconies. The cathedral stands as a testament to centuries of faith. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Just a short walk away lies the Monastery of San Francisco, famous for its Baroque architecture and a hidden world below. Deep beneath the church, the catacombs hold the silent history of tens of thousands, arranged in striking patterns that haunt and fascinate. Walking through Girón de la Unión, we feel the pulse of modern Lima meeting its colonial past on the way to Plaza San Martín. This square celebrates Peru's independence, a stark contrast to the older heart of the city, framed by the elegant Gran Hotel Bolívar. Before we leave the coast, we look out from the cliffs of Miraflores, where the desert city finally meets the vast Pacific. Even here, the ancient world persists. Huacapuclana is a silent reminder of civilizations that thrived long before the Spanish arrived. Now we leave the mist of the coast and climb high into the Andes, heading toward the navel of the world, Cusco. At 11,000 feet, Cusco is a city of stone. Once the capital of the Incan Empire, it remains a living museum of engineering. Nowhere is the collision of cultures clearer than at Qorikancha, the Temple of the Sun, the most sacred site in the Incan world. The Incan stonework is so precise that not even a blade of grass can fit between these massive blocks, designed to withstand the strongest earthquakes. Returning to the Plaza de Armas, we see the Spanish cathedral, built directly over the foundations of an Incan palace. Walking these narrow streets, we find the 12-angled stone, a masterpiece of ancient geometry and a symbol of national pride. San Blas is the artistic heart of Cusco. Its steep alleys lead to hidden workshops where generations of artisans have perfected their craft. From up here, the city reveals its true scale, a sea of terracotta tiles reaching toward the surrounding peaks. High above the city sits Sacsayhuaman, a fortress of giant limestone blocks, some weighing over 100 tons. It was the head of the puma-shaped city, a ceremonial marvel that still guards the valley today. For a taste of local life, we head to San Pedro Market, where the scents of Andean herbs and fresh produce fill the air. Our journey through the heart of the empire is just beginning. Join us in part 2 as we head deeper into the sacred valley. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. See you in the next part.